In this video, we're going to discuss how we can remove duplicate elements from unsorted list, right? So we have seen how we can delete duplicate elements with the help of two loops, right? That was giving a time complexity of O n square, right? Now we need to improve the time complexity, okay? So we need to use some different methods. So the first method, like the second method, then we can use here is to use sorting, okay? We can use sorting here. Okay, so let's discuss how we can do that. So in general, merge sort is the best suited algorithm. Like we can use merge sort here. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to sort the elements of the linked list with the help of like we can say using merge sort, right? So say this is my list 10, 12, then 11, then again 11, and 12, 11, 10. So this is my list, okay? Now what I need to do, I simply need to sort this linked list, right? So how I can do that? So it will be after sorted, I will be applying merge sort here, right? So let's apply merge sort, and we know that merge sort give a time complexity of log n log n, right? So if I'll merge sort this, like if I'll sort this, so it will become something like this: 10, then 10, then 11, 11, 11, and 12 and 12, right? And this will be null. Okay, so what I have done here is that I have basically sorted this linked list. Now this problem is similar to remove duplicate elements from a sorted linked list, right? So basically the first step is to sort it, right? And the second step is to apply the same concept that we have discussed in the case of when we were removing duplicate elements from sorted linked list, right? So applied sorted part we can say. So we know that merge sort gives the best time complexity, which is O n log n, right? And how much complexity was for this part? I think it was O n, if you remember, right? So it was taking O of n time, right? So it is taking O n log n time, and it is taking O of n time. So we can say the effective time complexity will be O n log n plus O of n, that we can effectively say it as O n log n, right? Okay, so basically one method is to use sorting. So we have improved our complexity from O n square to O n log n, right? We have improved this much. But I want the complexity to be O of n, right? I don't want O n log n. I want n only, right? So like we know both these steps, how to sort it, like how to apply merge sort and how to apply sorted part, right? So as these things have been discussed in previous videos as well, right? So now let's see how we can improve our complexity to O of n. So let's see it. Okay, so now the idea is to use hashing. We'll be using hashing, right? So let's see how we can do that. Say again you're given this linked list 10, 11, then say 12, then 10, then 10 and 11, something like that. Okay, so this is my linked list, right? And I need to remove the duplicate elements from it. So what I can do is I can maintain a current pointer here which is pointing to head, right? Just to traverse over this list, right? Because we can't traverse with head, otherwise my list will be lost, right? So I can create a hash. Okay, so let's say this is my hash. Okay, I have created it. So now current is on 10. So I'll check inside hash if this 10 is already present or not. So it is not present. Okay, so it will put this 10 inside it. Okay, and do current is equal to current next. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to check if 11 is present or not. So yeah, 11 is present, so I need to push no, 11 is not present, so I need to push 11 inside my hash, right? And do current is equal to currents next, like this, right? Now I'll check if 12 is present, so 12 is also not present, so push 12 here. Okay, okay, now I'll check for 10. So as 10 is present here, like current will be here this time, right? So 10 is present here, right? So I need to remove this 10 from this list, right? So how I can do that? Like I need to remove this current pointer, we can say, right? But for removing this, say I have removed it, okay? Because I don't need to push it here because it is already present, right? So I need to make a link from here to here, right? Like from this node to this node, okay? Because if I want to remove this, there should be a link from here to here, because if this will not be the case, then this list will be lost, right, after the current. So now we know that we can't go to currents previous, right? So the basic solution is to use the second pointer that is at the previous node of current. Okay, so now let's see it like this. Okay, so this is my list, right? And current is on 10, right? And these elements are in hash. Okay, so let's create another hash. It's empty again, okay? Because we are again iterating from the start of the list, okay? So let's maintain a previous as well that will be present at the current's previous, okay? So initially it will be null, right? Because current is on the head node and previous will be at null, right? Now we'll check if 10 is present in the hash. So it is not present. So push it inside our hash, right? So its count become 1, okay? Now check for 11 and yeah, do current is equal to currents next and do previous is equal to previous next. So previous will be here, right? Okay, now what I need to do, I need to check if 11 is present. So 11 is again not present. So I'll push 11 here and its count become 1, right? Okay, then again do current is equal to currents next and previous is equal to previous next, right? So this is the case now. Now check for 12. 12 is also not present. So I'll push 12 here and its count is now 1, right? So again do current is equal to currents next and previous is equal to previous next. Okay, so previous is pointing here and current is pointing here. Now it will check the count of 10 inside my hash. So 10 already has a count 1, that basically means that it is present inside the list. It is present inside the hash, right? So that basically means that we need to remove this element, right? We need to delete current from here. So what I can do, I need to create a link from here to here, right? This thing. Like what I need to do here, the first task is to delete current, okay? Like you need to delete current. And the second thing that you need to do is you need to create a link, right? Okay. So if I'll delete current first, then basically the list will be lost. So this will be our second step basically, and this will be our first step, right? So first of all, let's create a link. We need to create a link from previous next, right? I want in previous next, I want this thing, currents next, okay? So in previous next, I need to do currents next, okay? Now this link will be created by this statement, right? And now it's something like this. This is my list now, like this, okay? And this is a node that is current, okay? So what I need to do, simply do current, sorry, delete current, right? And now where should be current pointing? Like we can simply do one thing. Just take current to the previous next because this is previous and this is previous next, right? Now we want our current here, right? Because now this is the list and till this point we have checked and now we need to check the further elements, right? So now current should point here, so do current is equal to previous next, right? So basically the list will be created like this. Okay, so this is my list. Here is my previous and here is my current, right? So again, you need to check if current is present, like 10. So you'll check the count for it. Yeah, it is already present. Again, in the same way, like these, following these steps, you need to remove it, right? So after you remove it, your previous will be this point only, but this node will be removed and this will be pointing to 11 now, right? And current will be here now, okay, using the same ways. Now again you will check for 11. So 11 is already present because the count is 1, okay? So now again you need to follow the same steps. Remove current from here, take it here, remove this element and make a link from here to here, okay? And again 11 is present, remove it and make a link from here to here, okay? And I think we'll be done. All these elements have been removed. We have 10, 11, 12 left inside our list, right? And this is what we want. This is what we want as our list, right? Because we need to remove all the duplicate elements from it, okay? So I think this is clear. Now let's write a code for it. Okay, so this is my code, okay? What is the start? This is my head. Say this is my linked list again. 10, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 10, 10, right? So this is my list, okay? And this is my start, that is my head node, right? Okay, so I have created a hash, name it scene. So say you have created this hash here and name it as scene, right? Okay, so what we are doing here, current is on start, so we have our current here, and previous is on null. So let's take a previous pointer and take it at null, okay? Great. Now what we are doing is until current is not equal to null, like we need to iterate over this list, right? So what we are doing, we are checking if the current data is already present in the hash, right? So in this statement, we are basically, checking if current data is already present in this hash. So we'll check 10 first, right? Because current is on 10. So is current data present in hash? No, it is not present. Then you need to do something. What you need to, sorry, it is to check if current value is seen before, right? So it is not seen before, yeah. Then you need to come to this else statement, right? Because 10 is not present here. Okay. So you need to insert the current data inside it, like insert 10 here, and do previous is equal to current. Now your previous will be pointing at this point, and your current will be equal to previous next. So your current will be, this is previous, so this is previous next. Okay, so this is the status now. Okay, okay, now it will again go to current not equal to null. So yeah, it is not equal to null. It will check for one. It will check if one has been seen before. So no, one is not there in the scene hash, right? So what we need to do, we need to again insert it inside our hash. So insert one, and then do previous is equal to current. So previous will be here now, right? At current, and current will be at previous next, like this one, right? Okay, so again check for 2. If it is present here, so it is not present, then push 2 here, right? And again follow the same steps. Previous will be here and current will be here now. Okay. Okay, now it will again check if current is not equal to null. So yeah, it is not equal to null, but the value that is in current's data value is already present inside our hash, right? So we need to do something else. What we need to do, we need to create a link from here to here, right? So we have done it using this in previous next, right? Push currents next. So this is currents next, right? And in previous next we have done this thing, right? And then you need to delete current. Okay, delete current, and to current is equal to previous next. So this is previous and this is previous next now, because this has been removed, right? So now my current will be at this point, right? And previous will be here. Okay, then again check if current is not equal to null. So current is again not equal to null and one is already present here. Then again follow the same steps. Delete this one, make a link from here to here, right? And do current is equal to previous next. So current will be here now, right? Okay. Similarly, we check for 10 and 10. So they are already present, so they will be also removed in the same manner, right? And what will be the list that will be left out? So this is my start, and if I'll see 10 is there, then 1 is there, and then 2 is there, right? And after that, all the elements have been removed, right? So null is there at the end. And I think this is our output, like the output that we need, right? Our desired output, because we need to remove all the duplicate elements, and our order will also be preserved here, right? In case of sorting, the order will not be preserved, right? Okay, so now let's discuss the time complexity for this. Okay, so say this is my list: 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 11, and 10. Okay, so this is my list. So this is my head node, right? And this is my current. So what I'm doing here in this part, I am iterating over this whole list, right? I'm iterating over each and every node of this list, like current is visiting on each and every node, right? So to generalize, if I'll say that my list has n nodes, right? So on how many nodes current will visit? Current will visit over n nodes, right? So basically, my time complexity will be order of n, because we have visited on all the n nodes, right? So we have seen three things here. The first one is that we can remove the duplicate elements from unsorted linked list in O(n) square, right? That is, we can say the brute force approach, right? We have used two loops here, right? Then we can do one thing, we can merge sort it, right? We can sort the list and then apply remove duplicate elements from a sorted linked list concept, right? So the time complexity there was O(n) log n, and it was done by sorting, right? Okay, and what's the third thing? We have achieved O of n, right, with the help of hashing, and we have seen the code and concept for it, right? So this is like how we can improve our complexity, right? From O(n) square to O(n), we have improved our complexity for removing duplicate elements from an unsorted linked list, right? I hope this is clear. Thank you.